DTC brand 7-figure success strategy main points after testing hundreds of creatives. Here are my top learnings. 1. Ads don't sell. They get the click. Your ads are not meant to close the sale. Their purpose is to identify your audience, hook them with relatable messaging, drive the click to your landing page. If your ads are trying too hard to sell, it's no bueno. To stop using old hooks, speak to your audience like a human being. Highlight the problem your product solves. Show empathy and understanding. Use storytelling to guide them through the journey. 3. Your ad should eliminate the wrong audience, qualify your buyers, and repel the rest. By use ad copy that speaks directly to your ideal customer's pain points. Be specific. If it offends those who aren't your audience. 4. Purpose of each ad element. Image, video, stop the scroll, nothing more. Headline now reinforce the message, add credibility. Body copy, educate, demonstrate, and hook the right audience. Pro tip, use questions in your headline like keeping you awake. 5. Demonstrate. Don't just highlight benefits people buy products because they solve problems. Show how. What makes your product unique? How does it solve the problem differently? What's the outcome? For example, shoes that feel like walking on pillows. 6. If your ads are failing, it's not just Meta's platform has bugs and shifting dynamics, but if your creative elements are dialed in, scroll-stopping visuals, relatable copy, clear website messaging, then you can weather any storm.